Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to start with the quota arrangement. So what is this quota arrangement and why do we actually and when do we use this? So the quota arrangement is like distributing the POs among the vendors or source of supply. So let us go with the simple definition. Like if we distribute the POs among the source of supply in a systematic manner. If there are three source of supply, that means if there are three vendors, we distribute the quantities so that all these three vendors can supply us the material. And how this will actually happen is through the rating, that is the quota rating. So quota rating is equal to, in simple bracket, it's quota minus allocated quantity plus quota base quantity divided by quota. So we need to understand this quota arrangement through the hands-on. So now let us see how this quota arrangement is created. So for the quota arrangement, you need to maintain the purchase info record for the vendor and the material also. So I request you to kindly create the purchase info record for the vendor and material combinations. If you have three vendors and if you have only one material, you kindly maintain the purchase info record for these three vendors. That already we have seen how to create the purchase info record. So let's get started. So before creating the quota arrangement, remember that you need purchase info record to be maintained for vendor and material combination. So if you have 5 different vendors and you have only one material, then you need to maintain the purchase info record with all the vendors. So to access the quota arrangement, you have to go to logistic, material management, purchasing, material master, then you have the quota arrangement. The T code is MEQ1. Click on it. So you need to enter the material. So the material which we have created in the during the material master record video or classes. So the same material I'm going to follow. If you can't remember this, then you can use this to search. So I know what is the material. So it is this. The plant is ABC1. Enter. Once again enter it. It will ask you to enter the validity. So I'm going to have the validity up to 30th April of 2023 and the minimum quantity split is 5. Then select this, click items. Then it will ask you to set the procurement type. It's going to be the external procurement. And the vendor quota. So let us enter 1. Now you see 100%. So let us say quota base quantity amount 300, maximum quantity 1000. Now we have entered only one vendor, so it's 100%, showing it's at 100% for this vendor. So if I go to extras and if you go to simulation and if you run the quota arrangement, it will show that this source of supply according to quota arrangement is this. And if you click the sources of supply and then date, then this is the vendor. Same vendor is going to come. Let us enter another vendor. So again F, and the vendor is if you can't remember the name, you can just filter this. This is the vendor. Enter. Quota for this also make it 1. So 50-50 per sharing. Then you have same 300 and then 1000. So let us see what is going to be the simulation now. Quota arrangement is the same and it is going to show when 101 and so source of supply is also I think same. let me change something here. Okay, so I'm going to change the quota to 2. Enter. And now you can see the percentage is changed. Let me check the, now you can see the source of supply according to quota arrangement is changed. So this is a vendor. So based upon that rating and based upon that formula which are shown, it will actually suggest the vendors according to the quota. So we are basically distributing the quantity among the vendors. So if you have 5 vendors, you can do the distribution between the 5 vendors. So this is what the quota arrangement is all about. So if you like the video, please share, subscribe and comment to please motivate me. So the next video is going to be the service master. So keep watching guys. Thank you.